Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Women and Child Development Department terminates erring Sevika and teacher of Kamulle Anganwadi. Department's team submits report after hearing villagers. More than 17,000 cases booked by the authorities for not wearing helmets. In last 5 years, 93% two-wheeler riders died as they did not wear helmet. Gonzague Rebello resigns as chairperson of Margao Municipality. Rebello claims non-cooperation from new chief officer, also cites personal reason. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar assures appropriate decision on export duty on iron ore, says he will meet Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. And Sporting Club the Goa target winning run while Mumbai FC present tough challenge. Tempo Sports Club face high-flying Royal Wangdo in I-League. Now the news in detail. Kamulle Anganwadi Sevika Pranali Panchal and teacher Diksha Naik have been terminated from the services. Women and Child Development Department team met the teacher and Sevika on Monday. Team also heard the villagers and submitted its report. Department terminated services of the erring Sevika and the teacher following the report. Mapsa Court granted bail to arrested Sevika Pranali Panchal on Tuesday.
Kamurli Anganwadi Sevika burned cheeks of a child with a red hot spoon. Women and Child Development Department has taken a strong cognizance of the incident and has terminated the Sevika and the teacher of the Anganwadi. Prudent had highlighted this inhuman act of Sevika. Department team visited the village, met the villagers. They got negative feedback about the Sevika and the teacher. Later the team submitted the report to the department and both Sevika and teacher were terminated. Teacher has been terminated for conniving with the Sevika in committing the heinous act.
हांवें म्हजी प्रोग्राम ऑफिसर आनी CDPO बार्देस हे दोगांयकूय इन्क्वायरी करपाक थंय धाडली. तांणी काल 3 वरां विविध लोकांची दुसऱ्या लोकांची आनी थंय आशिल्ल्या तांच्या भुरग्याच्या आवयची आमच्या आंगणवाडी टिचर आनी हेल्पर आसा ताजी सगळ्यांची स्टेटमेंट घेतली आनी ताजे वयल्यान आमकां कळून आयलें की हो इन्सिडंट भयानक घडला तो घडूं न्हय आनी अशें जावप ही खूब दुख्ख गोश्ट. वी डिसायडेड एंड आवर गव्हर्मेंट हॅज गिवन डायरेक्शन्स दॅट देर सर्विसीस शूड बी टर्मिनेटेड म्हणून आनी आज हांवें टर्मिनेशन ऑर्डर इश्यू केली तांकां दोगांयकूय हेल्पराकूय आनी वर्कराकूय बी.
Sources claim that the teacher of Anganwadi misled the team to save the Sevika. Teacher and Sevika initially told that the child might have rubbed against the wall and got the plant sap, locally known as dik. Whereas the villagers and child's mother claimed that Sevika burned the cheeks of the child with the red hot spoon. Parents at Kamurli are scared to send their wards in this Anganwadi. Only 3 pupils are left out of 14 now. Sources claim that the team has mentioned this fact in their report to the department. Mapsa police arrested Sevika Pranali Panchal on Monday for harassing and tormenting children at Kamurli Anganwadi. Mapsa court has granted her bail on Tuesday. Bail is granted on the clause of 4 days compulsory attendance to police station and bail bond of 20,000 rupees. Victim child's parent has complained only against the Sevika, hence Mapsa police will not arrest the teacher. Omkar Farari for Prudent.
More than 17,000 cases have been booked by the state authorities for not wearing helmets since 1st April. Transport Department has made wearing helmets compulsory for two-wheeler riders on all roads. Data suggests that in last 5 years, out of the deceased riders in road accidents, 93% were riding without wearing helmet.
After making mandatory for two-wheeler riders to wear helmets on all roads, all state authorities have focused to book violators. In a drive initiated since April 1st, all the traffic cells and police stations in Goa have begun action against violators and have booked 14,436 cases till 20th of April. It includes 1,362 cases by North Goa police stations and 1,438 cases by South Goa. Department of Transport has also booked more than 2,500 violators.
And as far as the Directorate of Transport is concerned, since 1st of April, we have booked around 2,188 cases. Similar thousand of cases have been booked by police also. We have also booked around 2,000 plus cases. I would like to make it very clear that we will not look back.
Arun Desai also says that it is not about collection of fine, but it is about saving human lives. Data suggests that in last 5 years, out of the deceased riders in road accidents, 93% were riding without wearing helmet. In the accidents occurred on internal roads, total 377 two-wheeler riders died since 2010, out of which only 25 were wearing helmets. Additionally, 73 two-wheeler pillion riders died during same period, out of which only 2 were wearing helmets.
You will be surprised to know that 93% of the people who died on two-wheelers, were not wearing helmets. 93%, it's a very, very large figure.
Requesting people to buy only ISI marked helmets, Arun Desai also stated that Department of Transport is on a constant watch against the sellers of non-ISI marked helmets. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Gonzague Rebello has resigned as the chairperson of Marga Municipality. Rebello claimed non-cooperation from the new chief officer and cited personal reason behind quitting the chair. New chief officer had earlier ordered demolition of an alleged illegal structure owned by Gonzague Rebello at Mungul.
Gonzague Rebello took over as chairperson of Madgaon Municipality on 3rd June 2014. Things were running smooth for Gonzague until the new chief officer entered the scene. New chief officer Naveen Lakshman ordered demolition of allegedly illegal structure owned by Gonzague. The spat began from here. There were moves to remove the chief officer, but the civil society stepped in and support poured in for the new chief officer. Later, Urban Development Minister Francis D'Souza stayed the demolition. Gonzague has resigned as chairperson of Madgaon on Tuesday afternoon. He tendered his resignation to the Director of Municipal Administration, Elvis Gomes, on Tuesday afternoon.
आनी अशें वेळेला तशें आमकां असलें कॉन्फिडंटान घेना ना म्हणून कितें एक कळना कितें रिशाबल देगून तो जाल्यार आतां हांव एमीको उलयतालो एमीन पळय म्हाका एक ऑर्डर धाडल्या आनी हितून म्हाका केन्ना कॉन्फिडंटा म्हणून घेना कांय उलयनासतना म्हाका तो मागीर ऑर्डर काडा आनी ऑर्डर धाडटा ताका लागून एमीन देखून आतां सांगिल्लो एमी म्हण तुम कितें उलयले आनी ऑर्डर म्हणटी देखून तुमडे दवर म्हाका दिवपाक गरज ना म्हूण म्हाकाय तें मागीर लोकांक गेले संडे मागीर मुजामीन चोवपाक जायना जालें ना पूण हांवें मुगे कॉन्फिडंट हेकाय दिला मुगे पर्सनल रिजनाक लागून दिला आनी म्हणच्या गाडी दुसऱ्या गाडी बेजार आमी पर्सनल आहा तें सगळ्यांक वळख कित्याक करपाक ना तें मुगे पळय तें मुगे कांय ना तें मेन म्हणलें हांवें पयलें सांगून दिलो आहा ते स्ट्रक्चराचे म्हाका कांय ना मुगे ती बनी हँडल करताली तेजें म्हाका कांय ना.
Savio Dias for Prudent.
Gautam Naik, student of Hedgewar High Secondary, died in a road accident at Old Goa on Tuesday. Unfortunately, he died on his birthday. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.